I am going to call Zach, who is my local guy. He's probably getting sick of hearing from me, but Zach, you here?
I'm here.
Holy cow, that was amazing.
Good to
Look
see
at
you,
that.
buddy. So another thing that I'd like to point out is I noticed you guys were using that one source from Tremco, right? The flashing materials from the XO-Air 110 AT tape to the Dimonic 100, and really integrating all those products that are tested, to stand the test of time. What do you think about those products?
I mean, I didn't understand anything you just said there. But that's the great thing about Nudura is they have I have to get the window and everything else. Like, hey, we've got all the flashing that you need. We've got everything is integrated into one system where I know I'm doing it right. I'm doing it to your warranty and your specs and your standards. And I think that's what every builder wants, is just, hey, I don't want to have to go to 15 different companies to get this window installed. I want to go to one place and know I can get everything. And that was like having a local rep that knows all of that and can tell you like, no, you need this, you need this, you need, these things. It makes the whole process so much easier.
When you have those products that are tested to integrate together, and then you have the warranty that comes behind that from Tremco, it's incredible. Now you don't have different manufacturers saying, well, it was their product or their product that failed, and that's why. So the way we like to look at it is, in the end, you got one hand to shake or one throat to choke.
Yeah, I still like you. It's gonna be shaking. That's it. If you have any questions about the efficiency of Nudura forms, go visit Nudura.com or contact a local rep in your area.